Cyber hacks, attacks, breaches, and events are exploding. Are you prepared? The costs? Well, they're absolutely out of control. Lost revenues, damaged reputations, expensive lawsuits, destroyed data, frauds, and huge unexpected out-of-pocket costs when you least expect them. Many business owners think cyber insurance isn't necessary, or they worry it's too expensive. But here's the reality. Businesses with 25 to 1,000 employees in New Jersey are prime targets for hackers. The hackers know that most of these businesses don't have extensive cybersecurity budgets, which makes you vulnerable. While cyber insurance may sound like an extra cost, the premiums are typically very affordable, especially compared to the cost of handling an attack on your own. Hi, I'm Gordon Coyle. Welcome to my channel where we talk about the risk and insurance issues on the minds of business owners in New Jersey. As an expert in cyber insurance for businesses like yours, I regularly speak with trade group associations and professional groups on this topic, and my firm works with all the major cyber insurers. We'll make it easy to find you the right coverage at the right price for cyber insurance, as well as all other forms of business insurance. Let's talk about why cyber insurance is essential for every business, large or small, especially in New Jersey. Over the last several years, we have seen both the severity and frequency of cyber events escalate dramatically. Take cybercrime events, for example. These are situations where a New Jersey business owner or employee is tricked into wiring money to a fraudulent account. We call this social engineering. Ransomware is another frequent event that's dramatically increasing in costs. In this type of attack, hackers take over a business's network and they demand a ransom to be paid before they release the information that they've seized. Over the past 3 years, the ransom amount demanded has increased by a multiple of 5x to around $800,000. The point is that the risk of being hit with a costly event is out of control and will only worsen over time. And New Jersey businesses are no exception. Unfortunately, small to mid-sized businesses often bear the brunt because attackers know these firms lack robust defenses. A typical cyber attack can disrupt a business operation for weeks, costing thousands, if not more, to restore systems, recover lost data, and rebuild a firm's reputation. So how does cyber insurance work? Cyber insurance provides two essential forms of recovery for businesses affected by a covered loss. The first is resources. Insureds who suffer attack or a breach usually don't know where to turn or what to do first. Most good cyber insurance policies come with access to a 24-hour hotline where they can call and be put in touch with the experts they'll need to recover quickly from an event. Remember, time is money, and when a cyber event occurs, every minute matters. The second form of recovery is financial protection, which reimburses the insured for the expenses they incur to hire those experts and recover lost data, pay ransom demands, or recover money lost through frauds. This includes expenses like data restoration, business interruption, notification to affected customers, and regulatory fines. The bottom line is that cyber insurance is what stands between your New Jersey business and financial ruin should a cyber event actually happen. Now, when I speak with business owners, I hear a lot of objections, so let's talk about them. The first is, we don't need cyber insurance. I hear this a lot. Many business owners think that their security is so strong and they believe that they're covered or immune to threats. But if you were to ask that business owner's IT or MSP managed service provider firm, do you think the client needs cyber insurance? They would definitely say yes. Why? Because they know that no security system is fail-proof and that insurance plays a critical role in covering the cost of these expensive events. Another common objection I hear is cost. It's too expensive. Many decision makers assume that premiums will be sky high, but that's often untrue. Premiums for cyber insurance have actually fallen over the last 3 years. If you have basic security requirements like firewalls, password security software, backups, and multi-factor authentication, you'll qualify for great rates. The other thing to consider when it comes to expense or cost is that the premium you'll pay is just a tiny fraction of what a cyber incident would cost if it does occur. That small premium becomes a very worthwhile investment if you suffer a claim. So how do you get the best cyber insurance for your New Jersey business? It starts with being sure you've got the basic security requirements in place. I mentioned earlier things like having firewalls, multi-factor authentication, and dual authentication before performing a wire transfer. These are the basics, and if you've got them, you're already on your way to getting a good quote. The next step is to work with a skilled broker, like me, who will guide you through the application process, help you understand the policy details, and ensure you're getting the best fit for your business's needs. For larger businesses, we'll also work directly with your IT department or your managed service provider to make sure all the necessary requirements are met. So why work with a specialist broker versus a generalist? Well, as a specialist in cyber insurance, we access a very wide range of insurers to be certain you're getting the best options and prices. Second, our experience in cyber insurance means we can help you navigate the policy details to ensure you're getting the best fit for your business's needs. This means advice on what coverage limits you should purchase, what options are worth considering, and how to coordinate other coverages like crime insurance and your business owner's policy. Every company is different and has different needs. Working with a specialist like the Coyle Group will help ensure you get the best coverage possible for your New Jersey business. I want to make a very important point here. Costly cyber attacks can happen at any time. If you're watching this video, it probably means you're considering purchasing coverage. Don't wait. Don't overthink it. Don't procrastinate. You've got to get this done today. It's vital. If your company's data and reputation are important to you or priceless, they should be insured. We'll make it easy and painless to get you covered and covered quickly. You can call us or use the contact form below and we'll respond quickly to find you the right tailored protection for your firm. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, do me a favor and hit that like button. Thanks.